Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
It's organic.
Don't worry, the rescue team's coming!
Don't be scared. We're gonna be there very shortly, kids. Where are you going? Tayo! Tayo!
Mater, let's go! You're on!
I don't want to go anymore. I'm just going to play in the playground. Huh? Lonnie!
I have followed the racing my entire life, my whole life!
Then you know who I am. I'm Lightning.
My baby Ramon can get that fixed up for you in no time.
Yeah, sure thing, man. No problemo.
So when your big chance comes along, you can take it.
Hey, Cruz.
Oh, hey, Mr. Sterling.
I'd like...
Lightning McQueen!
Wow. What do you think? Radiator Springs looks pretty good.
Bingo fields around here.
Bingo fields!
Places to land.
The boat?
The USS Dwight.
I said I'm not angry! Oh, I don't think so. No!
Goedemorgen, racewagen. Morgen, takelwagen. Goedemorgen, Stanley.
Oh, number 7 is loose! Shoot, Todoroki!
But coaching you, I'd never seen the old grump so happy.
What you do with my trailer? I parked it over your sponsor's tent.
What?
You gotta make your personal appearance.
No.
Know him? This is the bloke that called into the television show. You're the one I have to thank.
No, thank you.
Don't worry, Mama! McQueen is very sad. I will...
Boy, you're in a heap of trouble.
Season points lead, heading into the final race of the season. And the winner of this race, Darryl, will win the season's...
Yeah! Now that's what I'm talking about. Hey, how come the only one...
right, you're in.
What?
Correcto, correcto. Hay que ir recto. Ya oí suficiente. ¡Y fuera!
I'd like you to meet...
Signorina Salve. It is official. Lightning McQueen is the luck.
I sold them.
To whom?
No idea. He's my best customer, but he always does his business over the...
You know, racing was the best part of his life, and when it ended, he...
Hitch it hard, break it loose, and just drive it with the throttle. Give it too much, you'll be out of the...
So do I. And all because of one passenger pulling the emergency cable.
Red, can you move over? I want to get a look at that sexy hot rod.
Made Dynaco proud.
Thank you, King.
Now, Tex, you've been good to me all these years. It's the least.
Fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, Big Al left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, you...
I'm not the only one seeing this, right? Incoming! Whoa, no.
Radiator Springs! The glorious jewel strung on the necklace of Route 66. The mother